Hello everybody, it's Toadvis from New Edbox, and welcome guys to the 5th HTML5 tutorial. Now guys, for those of you who are following my tutorials from number 1 for HTML5, you know that I'm introducing you guys to the new tags that are new to HTML5. And in my past few tutorials I've introduced you to few technical and text tags that you can use on your website in order to format the text and tell your browser to place the text or make a link or whatever. Now in this tutorial, as I promised to you guys, I will introduce you to one cool visual tag which gives some animation to your website. And if I will make it with the time, I will still introduce you to the section tag. Now the first tag that I want to introduce you to guys is the progress tag, the one that I told you in the last tutorial. And what does the progress tag does? Now the progress tag gives a simple image or simple animation on your website just to give your user or website visitor info of how much of the progress has he or she done, let's say filling out the questionnaire or whatever. So without me talking too much guys, let's go ahead and build the progress tag. And know guys that I will build a simple example that will use progress tag as animation next to the text. So now guys, there are two things that two parameters that we have to give inside of the opening tag of the progress. Now those two parameters are the value, and what the value does, it tells your browser of how much progress should be animated within the progress tag. You will see in a moment what I mean. And maximum has to be always treated as a percentage, and it will be all fine. So let's put it 5 steps, and in each step let's put the line break, and let's copy the whole line. Okay guys, just for you to see how does the progress tag look like, let's refresh it, and that's what you would get. That's what your user would see. It's a really nice line with some progress displayed on it. Now how you practically could use it, it's very simple. Say you have a website where you're building a questionnaire or you're building a survey or whatever, and the progress is very useful because you can build in the website telling of how much progress your visitor of your website has made. Let's say filling out the questionnaire, as I mentioned, or whatever. So I'm gonna break it down into 5 steps, and each step will have a different value. So as you can see, we should have different steps for a moment, and let's go ahead and refresh it. Okay, and there's something wrong there. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and put in some text. Let's say I want to step 1, then I would put a simple yeah, I can see it, but I didn't put the closing tags. That's the problem. And there we go. And closing tag here, closing tag here. Okay, let's go ahead and save it and refresh it. There you go guys, we have 5 different steps with different progresses. So now what we want to do guys is just put in some simple text in step 1 here, let's put it step 2 here, step 3 here, oops, and step 4, shoot, step 4 here, and step 5 here. Okay guys, and let's go ahead and refresh it and see what our browser gives. Well, I should work on it to make it look a little bit better than it looks right now, but guys, I think you're getting the idea that each and every step would represent simply the information that you would put in. Let's say that you have different steps of the questionnaire, or even different pages of a questionnaire. That in one page you would place a progress bar 20%, and another 40, 60, and etc. So guys, this is the practical use of the progress bar, and I hope that you learned it. I still can see that I have some time left on my timer. So I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and introduce you to another tag that I wanted to talk you through during this tutorial, and that tag is the section tag. Now, guys, what does the section tag does? Section tag is very similar to article tag. I'm just typing it in while I'm talking, so follow my lead, guys. Type in the same tags and information that you see on my screen. Now guys, just to shortly introduce you to the section tag. The section tag is basically pretty much the same tag as the article, because it defines, well, different sections of the article. You can use it in the article, you can use it when you want to separate some part of a text, and let's say that you have a long article with few sections and few paragraphs. You can use the section tag in order to define different sections of the the article. So let's go ahead and build something. I would build H2, because for a section of the text I will surely need a header, and that header would be, this is the first header. Okay, now guys, I would go ahead and copy that entire code, and then you would need to build in some text in there. So I'm just gonna define it as a new paragraph, and in the paragraph, let's say, type it in some random sentence that well, boy do I love sunshine and a bike on a sunny day, and a smiley face. Okay, I can see that I made some. Let's delete all the typos. Okay guys, so I'm copying the sentence and pasting in a few times so it would make a proper paragraph. This one, and in the second section let's build one more paragraph that would have some other information in it. So oh heck, I would want to go and grab a baconator, because I'm really hungry right now. Okay, so let's copy the sentence and paste it a few times so we would get normal paragraph with the different sections. And guys, let's go ahead and refresh our website. So there you go guys, you can see that the section tag, it simply separates sections of your article or sections of your text from one another, and gives your user a little bit more, let's say, more ordinary way look of your website and the content in your website. Okay guys, I hope you got the concept. I hope you got the lesson, and I hope you really enjoyed it at the same time. So that's it for this tutorial, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button if you like the video, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.